Hi, so in case any of you missed last week's video, I'm doing a commission for an item that I've never made before, and I thought I'd make a little competition of it. I'm asking you to try and guess all the materials I'm using to make it, and also what it is before I actually put up the final project video and reveal all. So here's a quick recap of what happened in last week's video, but of course you can go and see the real one if you want, and then I'll show you some more clips this week. And you can guess in the comments below what you think it is and what I'm making it from. Don't forget to leave your comments, what you think it is and the materials you think I'm using to make it underneath this video. Cheerio!